Hi guys, today we're going to see the top Chrome extensions to increase your productivity. If you're like me, who spends a lot of time on your browser, extensions can take your productivity to the next level. That's why I made a list of some great extensions which you should add to Chrome right now. Now, we're going to focus mainly on extensions for Chrome browser, but if you're using some other browser, worry not. All of these extensions work on browsers like Firefox and Safari too. And if you're using Chrome-based browsers like Microsoft Edge, Opera, etc., every Chrome extension will work for you too. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right into the top extensions. The first extension which we are going to see is Blackbox. Now, if you're someone who takes a lot of notes while browsing, watching videos or lectures, this is going to be a game changer for you. This extension lets you copy any text that's on your screen. You can copy text from images and even from videos. Amazing, right? So to get this extension, just click the link below this video and you will get the Blackbox extension. Add it to Chrome. Now you can copy the text from anywhere on your browser. Let's say you're watching a video and you want to copy this text. Just click on the extension icon, select Blackbox, and then just select the text you want to copy. And as you can see, the text has been copied. Now you can go ahead and paste it where you want. There you go. We got the text. You can do the same on an image or any place that has text. Okay, the second extension which we are going to see is OneTab. I used to have a lot of tabs open on my browser like this, and it made my computer slow down. And I found it hard to go to the tab that I wanted. If you have faced the same problem, then OneTab extension is for you. This lets you arrange all your tabs in one place like this, so you can easily find the tab you want, and it also makes your browser look clean. Now there's a link in the description which takes you to the OneTab extension. Let's click on it, add it to Chrome, click Add Extension. Now when you have a lot of tabs, just click here, select one tab, and you can see that all the tabs have been rearranged here. Now what I like about this extension is that we don't lose any of the tabs. It saves it in the list. So whenever you want to open any tab, you just click it. It'll reopen it here and you can see the website. So this will help you keep your tabs organized. So let's go back. Now if you want to reopen all the tabs, just click Restore All and all your tabs will be reopened again. Alright, our next extension is VidRapid. If you're someone who watches a lot of YouTube videos, then this tool is for you. VidRapid can summarize any YouTube video and give you main points in just a paragraph of text, so you don't need to watch the entire video to learn about the content. Once you add the extension, VidRapid will be available on YouTube like this, so you can just sign up. Now if you click Summarize, it'll summarize the content of the video. You'll also have the key points and the timestamps. You can check out the content, and if you click on the timestamp, you can skip ahead to that portion. And if you go here, you can see the entire transcript of the video. Now the cool part is, it works even without an extension. If you're watching a YouTube video, just go to the link and type sum here, press enter, and you'll automatically be taken to the VidRapid page where you'll get the summary of your video. So if you're using a mobile device, VidRapid also has a mobile app to summarize the videos. Okay, moving on, the fourth extension is Enable Copy Paste. You might have come across some websites where you cannot copy or paste any text. So this extension lets you bypass the restrictions on such websites and allows you to copy and paste. So let's see how it works. This is a banking website. Now if we try to copy our credentials and paste it here, you can see that we're getting a message that this site has disabled copy paste option. So let's see what happens if we use this extension. First, add it to Chrome. Now if we go back to our website, click here and select Enable Copy Paste. Here you can see that we have the option to enable copy paste. So let's click here. Now if we try to paste our credentials, You can see that it's working. So in this way, you can copy paste on any website you want. Okay, let's go to the fifth extension, which is Unhook. Let's say you're watching a productive YouTube video and you get a lot of recommended videos. Sometimes these videos may not be related to what you're searching for and you might get distracted easily. So this extension helps you to focus on what you want to watch by automatically removing the distractions from YouTube, and you can get a more focused watching experience. This is how YouTube looks like right now. So let's add this extension. Click here. Click Unhook. Turn it on. Here you will find various options to control what should be hidden, and you can also select what to display. Now if we click refresh, you can see that the distracting videos are automatically removed. And we have a clean page. Nice, right? Okay, let's move on to the sixth extension, which is Grammarly. If you're someone who writes a lot, whether it's emails, documents, or social media posts, you know how important it is to have good grammar and spelling. So that's where Grammarly comes in. It is a writing assistant that helps you improve your grammar, spelling, and overall writing style. So let's see how it works. Let's say you prepared a content, for instance, an email. Now let's see how Grammarly can help us improve our writing. Once Grammarly is installed, let's click on it. And you can see that Grammarly is now active on this content. And it is showing the errors we have. Now if you click here, you can see what the error is and how you can solve it. Now if you click accept, it will automatically correct the error here. In the same way, you can correct all the errors. Okay, so now our content is free from errors. It's as simple as that. Next on the line, we have Clearly Reader extension. If you're someone who reads a lot of blogs and articles on the internet, then this extension is for you. Let's say you're reading a blog on your browser and you find a lot of extra elements like ads and prompts on your screen, which can be very distracting. The Clear Reader extension helps you remove these elements so that you can read your news article or blog without any distractions. Once you add the extension, now if you go back to the blog you were reading, just click here, click on the Clear Reader extension. You can see that the blog has been cleared of all unnecessary elements, leaving the text alone on the page. Alright, now every time you want to use the extension, you don't have to go here and select it. Instead, you can just pin the extension like this and select it from here. Okay, now this part is even more interesting. You can also customize your blog using these options. Now if you want to increase the font size of this text, just click on this icon, click this button, and you can see that the font size has been increased. In the same way, you can change the background and the font style by clicking on these buttons. Now if you want to download the article, you can do that by clicking here. Okay, let's move on to the eighth extension, which is Readme text-to-speech. This extension converts all the text on a web page into an audio file and reads it loud to you. So if you're tired of reading text online and want someone to read it for you, this extension is the way to go. So let's see how it works. You can add the extension using the link in the description. And once you've done that, let's say you're reading an article. Now if you click here, select Readme and click play.
How to become a successful WordPress freelancer. Learn WordPress development from scratch.
You can see that it has started reading out the content to us. It's like a personal robot reading for us. Alright, next we have the picture-in-picture extension. This little gem allows you to watch videos in a floating window while you work on other things. So you can have a video playing at the corner of your screen while you write an email or have a tutorial running while you code. How cool is that? And the best part is, it's super easy to use. You can add the extension using the link in the description. Once you've added the extension, when you're playing any video, click here and boom, the video will appear in its own floating window that you can move around and resize to your liking. Now if you want to go back to the normal view, just click on it and it will go back to the page. So now we've come to the final extension, which is the Adguard extension. There are many ad block extensions available, but we have selected the one which works best on Chrome. It is the Adguard extension. So let's see how efficient it is. Here's the website full of ads. Now let's add our extension.
And if we go to our site and click refresh, you can see that all the ads are gone.
Okay, so guys, that's my list of top Chrome extensions. Now all the extensions we saw will work on any Chrome-based browser. So if you're using Microsoft Edge or Opera, you can make use of these extensions. Next, let's go to the bonus part of this tutorial where I'm going to show you a simple trick to increase your productivity. So I've been using this mouse for quite some time now, and I have to say it's really useful. How many times have you switched tabs like this? It takes so much time, right? Now see this. If I just press this button and scroll, I can easily switch tabs forward and backward. Amazing, right? Now we're going to see how you can use this trick to work on your PC.
To do that, we're going to do 5 steps. The first step is to get this Logitech mouse. So to get it, just click the link in the description. And here you can purchase the mouse. So you can go ahead and buy.
Once you've got the mouse, make sure to connect it to your computer before going into the next step.
Let's go to the second step, which is to install the Logitech 𝗬𝗧 software on your computer. To install the software, just click the link below this video and you will get this page. Now based on the OS, click download. Then click install and your software will be installed.
Once you've done that, now we need to add a profile to the software which has the tab switch feature.
Let's go to step 3, which is to add the tab switch profile. So to do that, click here and click community. Now here, search for website runners and you will get this profile. To add it, just select it and click download and the profile will be added successfully.
Now once you've done that, to make the tab switch feature work, you need to install one more software.
So let's go to the next step, which is to install the software called 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. To do that, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now to download the software, just click here and it will be downloaded. Now to install it, just click here, click next. Now click finish and the software will be installed. So now if we go to our desktop, you can see that we've got the 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 software. Let's open it.
Okay, once you've installed the software, like we did before, we need to add another profile to this software too.
So let's go to the final step, which is to add the tab switch profile to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. To do that, just click the link in the description and the profile will be downloaded. Now to add it, let's go to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 and click load profile. Now select the profile which we just downloaded. Click open. And you can see that our profile has been added. So this means now we'll be able to switch between tabs using the scroll wheel. To check that, let's close this. Now if we go to our browser, click this button and scroll up. You can see that we've been taken to the next tab. And if you scroll down, you can see that it opens the previous tab.
So there you go. This is how you can add the tab switch feature.
Now let's say you browse a lot of internet. Now you want to go back to the previous web page, so you can do that by clicking this button. And if you want to return to the page you just came from, you can click this button and you'll reach the page. Now if you want to close your tab, you can just press this button from anywhere on the page and it will close the tab.
Easy, right? So if you like the features of this mouse, you can go ahead and buy it from the link in the description. Alright, so that's it guys, we've come to the end. I've added the links of all the extensions we saw today in the description. Do check it out and start using it to increase your productivity right now. Okay, now this video is not sponsored, but it is supported by those of you who purchase the ready-made website templates from MakeItWP. We built this platform where anyone can launch their dream website in just a single click. So instead of spending hours and hours setting up your website and getting it to work for you, you can simply choose our template and start putting your website into action in no time. You can learn more about it by clicking the links in the description below. Also, make sure you click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.